Hello to everybody. I am in Canvas showing you the course Spanish 201 800-801. And what I want you is to have a look first at the calendar that is right here in the menu. I want you to see that in the calendar you are going to have all the assignments that we are covering in the 7 weeks of this course. So the assignments are going to be in Canvas, but every Wednesday and Friday you're going to see the word My Spanish Lab MSL. My Spanish Lab assignments are all down in a different website that is called My Spanish Lab. I will show you My Spanish Lab in a moment, but I wanted to make sure that you know that My Spanish Lab quizzes are going to be available every Friday at 6 o'clock in the morning, and they're due on Sunday at midnight. Apart from that, you're going to see a pattern. Like every Sunday, you're going to see you have a conversation to do between 2 students. And then you have a few readings that they are due on Fridays, and cultural discussions also due on Fridays. Now, going back to the course, I want you to look at the word modules. When you click on the word modules, you're going to get information about what you have to do every single week. Because we are at the very beginning of this course, you have at the top of the module the syllabus, the book that we're going to use that is connected with My Spanish Lab. Then you have the academic honesty pledge that you have to submit, and then you have other items that you should look into all of them. Notice that for the first week you have a Spanish study plan to prepare you for these 7 weeks, and then you have a pronunciation practice that it will help me a lot to see where is your level right now for intonation and pronunciation in Spanish. You will see your cultural discussion number 1 that is related to you, so we get to know you. And at the end of every single module, you're going to have questions for oral exam. These questions cover content about vocabulary and grammar for each chapter that we're going to cover. Now, going into My Spanish Lab, here in the student view, you have the title of the class, Spanish 201 Spring 2 2019, and you have the calendar. The calendar is where you have all your assignments. Notice that the first week you have a note which is to review previous chapters that we have covered in Spanish 120. Now, starting the next week, the following week, you have alarm o'clock. Those are for you to do your assignments. Every Wednesday you have videos to watch with activities, and every Friday you have exercises to do. Notice how you have a green flag to indicate that the quiz is open every Friday at 6 a.m. and is due Sunday at midnight. Apart from the calendar, if you ever need help to review material, you have here tutorials. Tutorials will help you a lot to understand grammar content. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. Muchas gracias. Thank you.